Welcome back. So let's do the last steps. First I will merge the cached leaves and the cached tree like this. Then I add the material and add the material palette, and I add the principled shader. Then I add the textures. Maybe I forgot to mention, but these textures are are free and edited by me, so you can use it anywhere you want. And of course the tree is made by me. It's a custom made tree, so you can use the tree anywhere you want in your projects. So add texture. I will find the opacity and go back to tree and add the principled shader. Now I go back to camera and check the result with a quick render. By the way, this is not the result because this is my previous one. Yes, so you have to tweak the settings in the material palette. Like, I don't want this to gray rather than green, and the reflectivity is too much, so set it to 0.1. Of course you can set it everywhere you want. I just like this look. Okay, and now the last step. I will multiply the trees in a specified radius. So for this I drop down a circle. I set it to 20, rotate with 90 degrees, and the radius will be something like this. Then I add the scatter. Don't use 1000 points because I think your computer will crash. Even my computer is crash in this case. So I just use 22 points. I add the transform here. Then I add the copy stamp. So here are the trees. But of course they are exactly the same because I just copied them. So now I add some variations. Just 1 second. So this will be the tree scale. So this will be fit rand, that means random $pt, No, it will be plus. Okay, so this will be at some variations for the scale with a difference of 0 and 1 between sorry, just 1 minute. Between 0.8 and between 1.2. Of course not now, because I have to apply this to the transform too, but I will make the not turn like rotation. Okay, this is the same fit and $PT this will be between 0 and 360 degrees. So for the rotation, I will write what? Okay. Stamp that will. This is the copy one. And I need the rotation 0, and if I write it correct, the trees will rotate in a minute. Yes. So you can see they have a different rotation. Okay, and I will set this for the uniform scale too. So stamp copy 1. Oh, I forgot what was it. 3 scale maybe. 3 scale. Zero. Okay. If I remember correct, I wrote 3 scale. They will have different sizes in a minute. No. Yes, they have different sizes. Okay. This is done. And now, if you want to place a ground, just make a new geometry. This will be the grass or something. I use the grass texture in my original video, but I bought the texture from Polygon, so I can't give it to you. but I do this way. So add the grid, make this to, I don't know, 100 or 200 maybe. Add the color, make it green, like a bar green. But of course, if you use a texture, just add the material and add another principal shader from the material palette with the new texture, as I did before, add the leaves. But for now, I use this. I save it. And find a good position. And check this here. Okay, I think that's it. They looks quite nice. This is the same setup I used at the sample video. I mean, the camera angle is, I'm not sure, the same, but the velocities, the gravity and everything is the same, so I should get the same result if I render this. To render this, I delete this because I don't need anymore. So to render this, go to out. Here is the mantra. You can pick your camera you want to render. Just click on render frame range. Type the output directory and click on render to disk. And I think the render time is not too much because it's not a really big simulation. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, just write me an email and I hope I can answer it. So that's it, and thanks for watching, and maybe see you next time. Bye.